This video, we're going to talk about how to subtract or find the difference of whole numbers. Last time we talked about how to add or find the sum of whole numbers. So let's go ahead and look at these problems here. I'm going to look at similar problems to section 1.4, number 1, 11, 13, 21, 43, and 49. I'm going to start off with 37 minus 21. 7 take away 1 will leave 6 remaining. 3 take away 2 is going to leave me 1 remaining. So my answer is going to be 16. Now we're supposed to subtract and check by adding. So 257 minus 157. 7 minus 7 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. And I'm going to take 100 plus 157 to check my answer to see if it adds to be 257. 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. And my answer checks. Now I'm going to subtract 66 minus 48. I'm going to need to borrow this time because 8 is bigger than 6. So I'm going to borrow a 10 from 60 to make it 50 and bring that 10 over here next to the 6 so that this looks like 16. When I take 8 away from 16, I'm left with 8. Now I take 4 away from 5 and I'm left with 1, and my answer is 18. Now we're going to subtract some 3-digit numbers. 900 minus 822. I cannot take 2 away from 0, and I have nothing to borrow over here in the 10 spot since there's a 0 there. So I'm going to borrow all the way from the 100 spot and then put a 1 in the 10 spot. Then I'm going to borrow from that 10 to make a 9 and have 10 ones. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 8 is 0, so I don't write a place value for that. And my answer is 78. Let's check with addition here. So let's say 822 plus 78. 2 plus 8 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. And we did get back to 900. Now we're told to subtract 4 from 9. It's very important to watch out for prepositions like this in word problems, especially the word from. In this case, it's going to switch the order of the numbers from what you think because you have to take 4 away from 9, meaning we have to start with 9 and subtract 4 from 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Very important that we watch out for that word from when we have word problems. And then we're going to say that we want to find 107 less 31. So 07 less 31 or minus 31 would be another way to say that. 7 minus 1 is 6. 10, I'm going to have to borrow here because I can't take 3 away from 0, so I'm going to borrow that 1 from there. 10 minus 3 is 7, and I have nothing left in the hundreds place value, so there's a 0 there. Again, if you want to check that, and say 76 plus 31 is 107. Our answer checks. Okay, that's it for this video. And next time we'll come back and talk about multiplication of whole numbers.